What's up guys? So this is how you're going to install your Rampage deck inserts. Super sorry about that problem, but we have a solution for you. We're going to be sending you the bolts if you have your board already, and if you don't have your board, they'll be installed already. So let's get into how we're going to do this quick fix. You're going to need an X-Acto knife, a 5mm, a 4mm, and a hammer, as well as the new thread insert, which looks a lot better, much more beefy. So the first step is going to be to cut, unfortunately, into your grip tape. So we're just gonna do this as small as possible so that we can preserve the cool design. So there's a little X right there in the thread. I'm gonna use the 4mm hex to unscrew the bolt from the bottom of the board. Got that out. As a side note, if you are unscrewing the belly bolt and you're finding that it's not coming out of this belly pan right here, that's because the bolt is still attached to the broken half of the thread insert. So in order to continue the repair, you'll have to unscrew all 8 of these so that the belly will fall. And if the thread insert is broken, it still will come out of the board. Now I'll go back to the top. And these old thread inserts actually have a hex design in there. It's hard to see, but you'll use the 5mm to get into the groove. Turn counterclockwise, and that thread insert will lift up and out of the Rampage deck. So now that we have that out, we'll just see the difference in the size and bulkiness. So this is going to be a great upgrade, and it's how the board should have been. So sorry about that, but we're on your side with this, and that's why we're fixing it. So now we'll take the new thread insert, come back to the hole that is now present. Make sure that if the thread insert is broken currently, then you'll have to tap out the bottom make sure that it's just the wooden section. See, there's another piece stuck in this one. So you're gonna wanna clear all that debris out to make room for the new one. So as I was saying, we're going to have the thread insert, tuck in your grip tape for the best look. That nice and level. Tap it in like that. This will actually add a little more foot grip too, so in a way it is a benefit to have it upgraded. We'll go to the bolt that we took out of the bottom of the battery, and we will just thread that in. Might have to line it up a little bit, but I found it. It's nice and tight. Battery is secure. This deck has 8 of those bolts, so the turnaround time is maybe 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how available your tools are and stuff like that. So we definitely encourage you to contact us if you have any questions about this install. If you need the thread inserts and you have a Rampage without them, contact us, and have a great day. Check out our Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube, and catch you in the next video.